Today we will solve third level of Rubik's Cube. As you can see, white and all the other two levels are placed perfectly. Now let us make yellow color at upward direction. Let's prepare yellow cross at top. F U R U dash R dash F dash. Yellow line got created here. We'll try for next one. F U R U dash R dash F dash. Let us try for yellow and blue piece now. F U R U dash R dash F dash. As you can see, a cross is created now. Yellow, orange, blue, yellow. But yellow, green and yellow, red are not placed at correct position. We will keep wrongly placed piece to front and right. R U2 R dash U dash R U dash R dash U dash. Now cross is prepared at perfect position. We will check for corner pieces now. In my case, yellow, red and green is correctly placed, but this piece, this and this piece is not placed. Keep top right corner of cube correctly placed. L dash U R U dash L U R dash U dash. In my case, top corner pieces are correctly placed in their perfect position, but not arranged correctly. To arrange the pieces, we will execute simple algorithm R dash D dash R D. We will keep on doing this till yellow comes to the top. Then bring next unarranged piece at top right corner and again execute the same algorithm. You can see all the colors are solved now: orange, yellow, blue, red, white and green. Thanks for watching.